Hey guys, good evening. Welcome to क्रिप्टो लाइव स्ट्रीम। हम आज बिटकॉइन की लाइव स्ट्रीम फिर से करेंगे। एक बार मैं बस सेटिंग्स कर देता हूँ स्ट्रीम के लिए। जस्ट गिव मी अ मिनट गाइस, उसके बाद हम स्टार्ट करते हैं। हाँ, ओके, शुरू करते हैं। तो एज यूजुअल स्टार्ट करेंगे अपना डेली एनालिसिस से। आह, फोन चार्जिंग में लगा देता हूँ। सो ये अपना डेली एनालिसिस है। ये जो अपना सेकंड टारगेट था अभी भी बचा हुआ है, ये आया नहीं है, जो कि है 65,000 का। अभी प्राइस जा रहा है नीचे, तो ये कितना नीचे जा सकता है ये हमें देखना है। हम 23% के ऊपर फाइनली थर्ड डे पे इसने क्लोजिंग दे दी है ना। और पिछले 2 दिन की कैंडल के वर्सेस ये कैंडल काफ़ी बड़ी है सो फार। अभी भी 10 घंटे बचे हुए हैं। सो वी नीड टू सी। अगला जो रिजेक्शन मुझे दिख रहा है दैट इज ऑन 62,239 पे। इससे सपोर्ट लेके ऊपर जा सकता है, नहीं तो फिर इससे भी नीचे आता है प्राइस तो ये होगा 61,000 तक। ओके, 4 आवर पर देख लेते हैं क्या स्टोरी है। 4 आवर पर देखिए बिल्कुल छोटी छोटी कैंडल्स बन रही हैं। इट मीन्स यहाँ पर वॉल्यूम है ही नहीं, देखो स्पेशली यहाँ से वॉल्यूम ही खत्म हो गया मार्केट में। ऊपर भी गया तो अभी खास वॉल्यूम बढ़ा नहीं और नीचे आ रहा है ना। तो अभी हो सकता है ये एम पैटर्न हो, एम पैटर्न को फॉर्म करते हुए नीचे आ जाए, बट एम पैटर्न के कंफर्मेशन के लिए इस लेवल के नीचे, या आप मोटा मोटा यही मान लीजिए इसके यहाँ पर या इसके नीचे क्लोजिंग मिल जाती है तो ये फिर एम पैटर्न कंप्लीट भी हो सकता है ना। और इसके अलावा डेली चार्ट पर दिख रही है क्या, ये डेली चार्ट से आ रही है ना, 4 आवर पर ही है। ये एक बिल्कुल स्टेयर्स की तरह खड़ी ट्रेंड लाइन है, ठीक है। इसके नीचे क्लोज करेगा तो फिर और फॉल आ सकता है, यहाँ तक भी आ सकता है, फिर 57,000 तक दोबारा ये वाला जो जोन है। ओके, तो देखते हैं आवरली चार्ट पे, देखते हैं क्या है। ये अपना इंडिकेटर है, ये वाला है ना, इंट्राडे एनालिसिस हमारा, इसमें देखते हैं। देखो इस जोन के बाहर क्लोजिंग देने की कोशिश कर रहा था बट नहीं हुई है। और ये सारा क्या है, बुल्स का एरिया। यहाँ जब जब प्राइस आ रहा है, क्लोजिंग भी ऐसे ही हुआ था जब लाइव ट्रेड में थे, यहाँ से एकदम प्राइस ने रिकवरी की एंड देन ऊपर चला गया। यहाँ पर ट्राई किया था, लाइव स्ट्रीम में थे उस टाइम पे हम, एंड देन ये ऊपर चला गया प्राइस। ओके, सो अभी देखते हैं कैसे क्या मोमेंटम आता है। आज फिर यहाँ पर एक ट्रेंड लाइन दिख रही है, जब तक इसके नीचे है टच करता हुआ तब तक क्या है, प्राइस बेयरिश है। ओके, लेकिन ये ऑलरेडी 4 बार ट्राई कर चुका है प्राइस, है ना। तो हो सकता है इन जनरली मीन सपोर्ट रेजिस्टेंस या ट्रेंड लाइन जब भी मल्टीपल टाइम रिटेस्ट हो जाती हैं तो फिर प्राइस हो जाता है, मीन्स ट्रेंड लाइन है, सपोर्ट लाइन, रेजिस्टेंस लाइन, ये वीक हो जाती है, इनकी स्ट्रेंथ कम हो जाती है। तो देयर माइट बी चांस कि यहाँ पर नेक्स्ट टाइम जब इसको ब्रेक करने की कोशिश करेगा तो इस बार हो सकता है ऊपर निकल जाए प्राइस। ओके, तो देखते हैं ये लेवल जो है, इसको कहते हैं रेड, ये एक रेजिस्टेंस लाइन रह सकती है हमारी, रेड वाली जो मैंने मार्क की है। ये मल्टीपल टाइम एज अ सपोर्ट एज अ रेजिस्टेंस टेस्ट हुई है। ओके, तो अभी के लिए तो इंट्राडे एनालिसिस यही है। नाउ लेट्स गेट बैक टू ट्रेडिंग। अपना इंडिकेटर लगा लेते हैं, यहीं से लगा दे क्या, ये वाला है। ओके, इसके नीचे एक्चुअली 4 आवर पर बेयरिश होगा प्राइस और ये ईएमए को टच कर सकता है। ये अपनी लाइन है रिस्क एडजस्टेड ट्रेंड स्कोर। तो सो फार तो ये बुलिश है, ये रिस्क एडजस्टेड ट्रेंड लाइन अपनी ऊपर जा रही है, नीचे नहीं आ रही है ना। तो अभी तो बियरिश नहीं है, यहाँ पर हुआ था ये, तो सो फार सो गुड, पॉजिटिव ही है। तो एक्चुअल बेरिशनेस इसके नीचे एंड देन 61,350 के नीचे ही आएगी। okay? तो ये जो अपना इंडिकेटर है ना, ये बढ़िया है ना। जब जब ये जोन क्रिएट करता है वहाँ से बता देता है कि यहाँ से मोमेंटम आ सकता है, और वहीं पर वो हमें देता है सिग्नल, है ना। बट सिंस ये अपना क्रिप्टो है साइडवेज, और साइडवेज के केस में क्या होता है, मार्केट साइडवेज ही रहती है ना। तो यहाँ पे क्या होता है, मेनली स्टॉप लॉस हंटिंग होती है, बट ये हमें सिग्नल दे रहा है कि जहाँ पर थोड़ा बहुत शार्प सेलिंग होती है तो। और जब ये वाइट है तो नो ट्रेडिंग, वो क्लियर कट बता रहा है कि भैया अवॉइड करो ऐसे में, है ना, आज जला लोगे नहीं तो। तो यहाँ सेलिंग आई, यहाँ पे वॉल्यूम ज़्यादा था, यहाँ पर भी वॉल्यूम ज़्यादा था तो सेलिंग आई। वॉल्यूम बढ़ा नॉर्मल से तो इसने सेलिंग दी। तो इट्स वंडरफुल, बाकी आपकी यूज़ करने के ऊपर है। इस रेंज का टूटना जरूरी है, स्पेशली ये लेवल 62,481। इसके बाद क्या है, ये रेंज जो है ना 38% तक, ये वाला यहाँ तक तो प्राइस आ रहा है बिल्कुल रो रो के। उसके बाद शार्प सेलिंग स्टार्ट होगी, होगी जो या तो शार्प बाइंग आएगी यहाँ से या फिर शार्प सेलिंग आएगी। तो ये ओवर वीकेंड बस हो रहा है टाइम पास, जैसे कल मार्केट ओपन होगी तब पता लगेगा। सेलिंग तो आ रही है ऊपर से ना। ये जो ऊपर EMA लाइन है ना, ये एक रेजिस्टेंस का काम करेगी। हाँ, ये 50 EMA लाइन है। ये नीचे वाली लाइन जो है ये कोई सपोर्ट नहीं है, ओके, इस चीज का ध्यान रखना है, ये सपोर्ट लाइन नहीं है, इसीलिए मैंने इसको इसकी ओपेसिटी कम रखी है, क्योंकि इसको डार्क करूँगा कहीं आप ये ना समझें कि ये एक सपोर्ट लाइन है। ये रिस्क एडजस्टेड ट्रेंड स्कोर है, जिसकी कैलकुलेशन होती है बेसिस ऑन कैंडल्स वॉल्यूम के बेसिस पे। ओके, इसमें RSI है, इसमें VWAP है, मल्टीपल कंपोनेंट्स हैं, इंटीग्रेटेड हैं, उनके बेसिस पे ये कैलकुलेशन करके ये हमें उसके बारे में बताता है कि कितना स्कोर है। अब वो स्कोर डाउन होता जा रहा है तो ये भी नीचे जाता जा रहा है, बट ये ट्रेंड लाइन सपोर्ट लाइन नहीं है। ओके, इसमें जो हमने यूज़ किया वो EMA यूज़ किया है आइडेंटिफाई करने के लिए, वो भी किसके लिए, आइडेंटिफाई करने के लिए कि ट्रेंड नेगेटिव है पॉजिटिव है। तो अभी प्राइस इसके नीचे ट्रेंड कर रहा है तो मार्केट क्या है, नेगेटिव है। ये देखो, यहाँ पे वॉल्यूम ज़्यादा था, कैंडल का साइज देखो, और इस कैंडल में वॉल्यूम ही नहीं था। नॉट टू वरी, सिग्नल ऑन है। देखो बाइंग आती रहेगी ना तो ये बैकग्राउंड ग्रीन रहेगा या रेड रहेगा, है ना। जब ये वाइट हो जाए और बैक टू बैक कैंडल आने लगे ना तो एग्जिट कर सकते हो, या फिर प्रॉफिट इज टोटली अप टू यू कि आपको कहाँ पर एग्जिट करना है ना। इस लाइन के पास एक सावधान होने वाली बात है, क्योंकि यहीं से लास्ट टाइम रिजेक्शन मिला था हमें। okay? अरे यार 5 मिनट कर दिया, 5 मिनट में क्या बोल रहा है ये इंडिकेटर। निफ्टी बैंक निफ्टी भी बढ़िया काम करता है, जितना मैंने देखा है, इसको टेस्ट किया है। सो 5 मिनट क्रिप्टो पे आई डोंट रिकमेंड, 15 मिनट इज ओके टाइम, ठीक है। बट हाँ, निफ्टी बैंक निफ्टी में आप इसको यूज़ करते हैं तो वहाँ पर 5 मिनट पे भी, आप 3 मिनट पे भी स्कैल्पिंग भी कर सकते हैं, है ना, 1 मिनट पे भी, टोटली अप टू यू। और ये फ्रीली अवेलेबल है ट्रेडिंग व्यू पर। ओके, इसका नाम है रिस्क एडजस्टेड ट्रेंड इंडिकेटर, इस नाम से आपको मिलेगा ये। लग रहा है धीरे धीरे आ ही रहा है इस लेवल पर। 150 मोर पॉइंट्स। बिटकॉइन में कुछ भी नहीं है। 150 मोर पॉइंट्स, एक कैंडल आएगी इस टाइप की तो उसी में निकल जाएंगे 150 पॉइंट्स। ये वही कैंडल ना हो जिसकी हम बात कर रहे हैं। ये इंडिकेटर्स देखो, बनाने का पर्पस मेरा यही था कि लोग इसको यूज़ ना करें, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, लगा के रखो एटलीस्ट। जब ऐसे नो बैकग्राउंड वाले एरिया है ना जहाँ पर है ही नहीं, तो एटलीस्ट ये पता रहेगा आपको कि यहाँ पर वॉल्यूम नहीं है और ये साइडवेज है। ओके, बट ये हाँ, एंट्री आपको शॉर्ट शॉर्ट की दे रहा है जब जब देगा। उसमें तो 5 मिनट 10 मिनट में खेल हो जाता है निफ्टी बैंक निफ्टी में तो ये आपको लॉसी से बचाने में तो हेल्प करेगा। प्रॉफिटेबल आप हो ना हो, दैट्स डिफरेंट। आप जैसे जैसे इसको अडेप्ट करेंगे अपने डे टू डे लाइफ में, आप प्रॉफिटेबल हो जाएंगे। लेकिन इसको आप जिस दिन आपने इस इंडिकेटर को ट्रस्ट कर लिया उस दिन आप अपने आप प्रॉफिटेबल हो जाओगे। हमारी टीम में एक भाई आते हैं, प्रदीप, वो गांव से बैठ के मेरा एक इंडिकेटर है दूसरा, वो यूज़ करते हैं। तो वो क्रिप्टो में बता रहे थे कि उनका 20-25 डॉलर का रोज का वो निकाल लेते हैं। तो आई फेल्ट सो हैप्पी कि चलो लोग यहाँ से प्रॉफिट निकाल रहे हैं। सो दैट इज़ सो गुड टू हियर कि भाई हमने जो चीज़ बनाई है किसी के काम आ रही है। एंड है ना, तो इन चीज़ों का मैंने बहुत ध्यान रखा है कि यार किसी का नुकसान ना हो इन चीज़ों से लेके। दोबारा यहाँ से रिकवरी लेने की कोशिश कर रहा है बेटा। सॉरी गाइस, माइक चेक। मुझे पता लगा कि वॉल्यूम काफ़ी हमिंग सा साउंड आ रहा था पीछे से। कैन समबडी कंफर्म कि माइक में आवाज़ कैसी आ रही है? शायद मैं बहुत पास से बोल रहा था और गेन बढ़ा रखा था मैंने इसका। माइक चेक चेक इज सेट इज ऑडियो। मैं चेक कर लेता हूँ साथ के साथ। एक बार माइक चेक कर लेता हूँ मैं। माइक चेक माइक चेक। ठीक है, लाइक आई सेड, यहाँ पर एक ग्रीन कैंडल आ भी सकता है। और ये क्या है, यहीं पर एग्जैक्टली यहीं से इसने रिकवरी ली है ना। तो अभी अपने पास रेजिस्टेंस है ये ट्रेंड लाइन और अपना ईएमए, इसको टच करके दोबारा नीचे आ सकता है। एंड आई ट्रूली बिलीव कि यहाँ से हो सकता है कि ये इस लेवल को तोड़ दे। लेट्स सी। व्हाट अ रिकवरी। कितने, 1 2 3 4 5 6, 6 कैंडल्स पिछले आधे घंटे के वर्सेस सिर्फ एक 5 मिनट की कैंडल। वॉल्यूम अच्छा खासा है यहाँ पर ना। हो सकता है जैसे जितना मैंने इसको देखा है ना, प्राइस बिहेवियर को इस रेंज में, यहाँ पर बायर्स के ना लिमिट ऑर्डर्स या जो स्टॉप लॉस ऑर्डर्स होते हैं, स्टॉप लॉस ऑर्डर नहीं, क्या बोलते हैं उसको, यहाँ पर दिखाता हूँ। स्टॉप ऑर्डर ये वाले एग्जीक्यूट हो जाते होंगे। अरे भैया, यहाँ इस रेंज में हमें प्राइस बिहेवियर देखना पड़ेगा। ओके, जिस हिसाब से रिजेक्शन लेता आया हुआ है, यहाँ पर देर इज़ अ पॉसिबिलिटी ना कि मूविंग एवरेज को तोड़ दे, और यहाँ से रिजेक्शन लिया तो ये लेवल टूटेगा फिर 62,368 वाला। तो लेट्स सी क्या बनता है अभी यहाँ पे। ओके, इसमें बैकग्राउंड ही गायब हो गया था। एक सर्टन इसकी एक सर्टन कैलकुलेशन होती है, उसके बाद ये बैकग्राउंड रेड वाला हट गया था। इट मीन्स यहाँ पर सेलर नहीं, बायर आ गया था। इन कैंडल्स में नहीं हटा क्योंकि यहाँ पर वॉल्यूम कम था। तो यही ब्यूटी है इस वाले इंडिकेटर की, जो हम ओवर ट्रेडिंग करते हैं ना, वो चीज़ें काफ़ी हद तक इसमें सुधर सकती हैं। स्कैल्पिंग के लिए तो बेस्ट है यार ये, बहुत। बट हाँ, स्कैल्पिंग में प्रॉब्लम ये है कि हमें वॉल्यूम अच्छा चाहिए होता है ना। वहाँ पे हम हाफ बिटकॉइन, एक बिटकॉइन ट्रेड कर रहे हैं, उनके लिए तो ये गजब चीज़ है। ग्राउंड यहाँ भी चल रहा है। वादियों में बैठ के ट्रेडिंग होती है आज। हम्म, ये साडा ऑफिस ये है। इसे ये वादियों में बैठ के ट्रेडिंग करेंगे। एक ट्रेंड लाइन कहाँ गई? यार, एक छोटी सी ट्रेंड लाइन यहाँ पे भी आ रही है, बट इसके दो ही पॉइंट्स कनेक्टेड हैं, तो इतना ट्रस्टवर्दी नहीं है। मिनिमम 3 हो तो ट्रस्टवर्दी हो जाता। लो जी, सेल सिग्नल भी आ रहा है यहाँ से। लेट्स सी। हाँ, यप, यप हो गया, गायब। जिस हिसाब से ऊपर से सेलिंग आ रही है ना, तो चांसेस तो हैं, है ना, टूटने के। इतनी बड़ी विक है यहाँ पर, तो इस लेवल का तो टूटने का वेट करना ही पड़ेगा। तो आवरली चार्ट पर सेलिंग नहीं आई है कहीं पे भी, अभी तक लग नहीं रहा है कि सेलिंग आई हो। तो आवरली चार्ट पर सिग्नल मिलेगा तो भाई पॉइंट्स अच्छे कैप्चर होंगे। टोटली अप टू यू, जिस टाइम फ्रेम पे आपको यूज़ करना है। वाह, यहाँ पे थी बढ़िया। ज़्यादा दूर नहीं है ये प्राइस, इसके नीचे क्लोजिंग मिल जाती है तो लगेगा कि थोड़ा सा सेलिंग प्रेशर है शॉर्ट टर्म टाइम फ्रेम पे। आवरली के हिसाब से तो लग नहीं रहा है। ये ब्लैक वाली लाइन है, इसका ध्यान रखना, ये अपनी ट्रेंड लाइन है। ओके, इसको रेड कर दूँ क्या? रेड कर देता हूँ, ताकि आप समझ जाएंगे। ये दोनों रेड लाइन और ये अपनी ट्रेंड लाइन ईएमए वाली, तो ग्रीन कर दूँ। प्राइस दोबारा से कोशिश कर रहा है नीचे आने की। स्लोली स्लोली आ ही रहा है। कैंडल्स में एक्चुअली वॉल्यूम नहीं है ना, तो छोटी छोटी कैंडल्स हैं। तो ऐसे में टू बी ऑनेस्ट, आप यदि पोजिशनल खेलते हैं ना, वो ज़्यादा ठीक रहता है कि आपको एक डायरेक्शन मिल गया कि भाई इसके ऊपर प्राइस। नो साउंड, इज इट? सॉरी, चेक। अब अपने इस पे ही चेक करके बता देता हूँ। माइक चेक, माइक चेक। ओके, थैंक्स जेसन, थैंक यू सो मच। Talking could be something at your end. Jason confirmed the sound is fine. Thanks for the confirmation. Yeah, I mean, there was nothing to say, to be honest. Okay. If you guys want to know something about any other crypto as well, do let me know. Maybe Ethereum or something else that you regularly trade on. Happy to discuss it as well. No. If it is a week here again, then it's problematic because there could be still the buying pressure at these levels. That could be limit orders actually. So we need volume like this to break this level. Let's wait. But yes, on the upper side, we do have these resistance lines and also the 50 EMA. So as long as price is below this area 62,855, it is still bearish. Are you on the buying side? If you can confirm uh, at what point you have purchased it, that'll be good. I can explain it on the hourly chart accordingly. And like in which side you are buying or selling, both things, please. And support, to be honest, let me tell you, we were discussing it here. Or let me tell you exactly on the uh, see, this is the important support, okay, and that is 62,239. If this is broken, then market can come up to 61,000. And I don't know, you are in, if you are in buying side and it is in loss, then sorry to say, but it is the healthy retracement of the trend. Okay, so price can so when price is going up, it needs to stay, or I would say relax somewhere, right? When it is recharged again, then it would take another jump. So for that, it is a retracement. It can come up to 61,000, and that is a very good support. That is a crucial support, I would say. Long from 63,000. Okay, so these are the crucial supports actually. If 61,000 is broken, it can again come up to 59,000. So you said 63,000 and 63398 somewhere here. Hmm. It is still in the selling mode, man. So let's see. It was a strong buyer presence here, and this is the level we are discussing. But yeah, I mean, in general, selling pressure is there as well. That is acting as a support. Multiple times it has done it. So if it is broken, then the next level would come again, and that is 62,239. Great, yeah. So 10 days, no worries, man. I do trade every day. So so here basically we trade on these crucial levels. We honestly, I always try to guide my subscribers. It's better not to trade, especially going in a wrong trade. We can wait and look for a good trade. 47x, 30x. My God. Thanks, Jason. Thank you so much, man. So this is the crucial support, I would say. 62,239. Or actually this one, 62,352. If price sustains below, no, let's say for an hour, you can exit the trade in the loss. No other option. But if let's say price comes to this level, you can note down this level, that is 61,000 lump sum. When you see price taking support from here, then you will get a wonderful trade up to this level, 3,000 from here, and it can go up to 65,000. That's what we have predicted already, and this is our one of the target which is still left. We've captured all these levels. We discussed them, we captured them, and even this one as well. So this one is still missing on the chart, 65K. So still waiting. Yeah, today, to be honest, Saturday, Sunday, there is no such volume. So it's very hard to depict where price can go, right? It totally depends on the volume. And you can, so these are 4 hour candles, right? It is from Sunday, Saturday. Look at these candles. These are from Saturday. Look at this size. So it could be a sort of trapping as well. They want people to be trapped over weekend, and then price can go up from here as well. So that is a possibility as well. Let's say if price is taking support and going up. So after this level, which is 62,905, we can look for a buying side trade as well. But yes, I mean, when it touches this level and then goes up, otherwise not. Touching is important of this level, huh? If it is taking support like this, not trustworthy. It has to touch this level, 62,239, and then goes up, then it can be successful on the buying side, otherwise not. Okay, it has come closer to this level, 543, 368, 100 and 100 plus 150 plus points, still missing. I've also designed this indicator that is available on chart free of cost. You can find this in trading view, risk adjusted trend indicator. This is the risk adjusted trend line, but that is not a support line. Please don't get confused with this. It is telling you that the risk analysis that calculation is doing, it is coming down. It means selling pressure is there. And to analyze the buying or selling side opportunities, I'm relying on the 50 EMA, which defines, it already tells us, right? It always tells us that whether price is bullish or the bearish. But calculation is being done using RSI, MACD, and volume imbalance, order flow. All these things are combining to create the buy and sell signal. It's not based on the EMA. So that's free of cost, available on TradingView. So you can use, in that case, you can use this on hourly charts. So right now you can see signal is also telling you that there is no such buying or selling is happening as per hourly chart. But when it was happening, you can see there was green background. It tells you this is the buyer's area. Red or pinkish area is telling you that this is seller's area. Sellers were dominating the market that time. So that's wonderful, and that is available free of course. Nothing is being charged, and you can use it free of cost. Okay. So if you are looking for long term trades and you don't want to be dependable on someone, and you want to do it by yourself, this indicator can definitely help you for that. Minimum an hour candle chart you can use. You can go for 4 hour and daily as well for long term trades. I do technical analysis as well, but most of, like, I have created 5 6 indicators, but most of them are, are for the I would say freshers in trading market. So they don't have any knowledge, they just learn something basic, they don't go in technicals, but they do have money, right? And they want to trade. So these are mainly designed for such people. So they do have money and they want to capitalize it. They want to like double it 1.5 times, whatever their target is. So for them, it is I have created. Apart from technical analysis, I do this live as well, so that people can have trust on the indicator rather than testing by themselves. At least in live, I can assist them as well. So far, sideways, kind of a little negative, not exactly negative, and this level is still pending 62,368. All story analysis is totally based if volume is supporting, otherwise not. In general, I'd like to tell you one thing to you guys. Okay, when price is going up and volume is supporting it, that move, then it is bull run. Okay, on any chart. I'm not saying on 15 minute or 5 minute. And if price is coming down and there is no volume, then it is problematic. It is only trap. So always do look for the volume as well whenever you are trading. Learning is equally important. It's sideways on 5 minutes. Small tiny candles. I'm expecting when US opens tomorrow, we can see significant volume, and that would be a deciding moment for the trend. So this one, like, signal was generated here. 200 SMA is very good, man. No problem at all. I've used it before. I used to look for 200 SMA for the support and the resistance. That works pretty well. But yes, I mean, that also depends. Like if you, like you already said, you go for the long term trades, like the swing ones, then 200 is really good. But yes, I mean, for people like who does trade in intraday or the scalping, for them, 926 and up to 50 EMA or SMA is fine. Come on, it is a matter of a single candle. 62 368. Hmm. Hourly chart price. So far looking good. It has come down by dominating buyers here. Let's see. But it has to close below or somewhere nearby, as it can, again we can see another green candle from here. Okay, I'll tell you one more thing. So I've tested it many times. 1611. I only can pray, man, to be honest. It's very close. 61611. Oh. Somewhere here. That's your liquidation. I think if it is getting, or you can close it, actually, the price is looking bearish, to be honest. Or if you can wait for tomorrow, that'll be good. There could be a rejection from this level. That's the reason I have mentioned this up arrow here, because it can go up from there. And that is for this one, actually. These are the support areas. That would be problematic if price is closing below this one. 4 hours. It does happen. It is part of uh, trading, man. I've seen it many times. Even it happened with me. I started like in the very early days, 4 hours back. I started with the 25K portfolio. I made it 75K, and in the very next month, or I would say uh, in a week, actually, I lost all of them. Yeah, it does happen. Green candle to 64K. That's what I'm saying. Wait for tomorrow. Okay. If Yeah, wait for tomorrow. If it is still acting as a, okay, let me tell you. I use this indicator for where it is. It's by Lux Algo. Liquidity swing. Okay. So that is the R chart, and this is the buyer's area. It is already in the buyer area. So there is a strong probability for the rejection as well. Rejection as in it's going down. It can change the trend. Okay. So as soon as this level is there, so on hourly chart, if it is closing below this level, then it is negative. It is means it has dominated the buyers here. They just lost the battle and price is coming down. But if it is taking the support and the closing level is 62,700, if we see a closing above this level, your risk would be less. That's what indicator is telling you already. Yep. Yeah, 75,000 I said. Yeah. So this is also a free indicator. It shows you the liquidity where the most of the buying or selling has happened, and that always act as the support and resistance. Reason being, not all of their orders have been executed, and whenever again the price comes in the zone, their limit orders will trigger and it will reverse the trend. So there can be a problem in this zone as well. Okay, so you need to be in, that's a tricky level. If you see a fast momentum, like good green candles, then you can hold it. And if you see a rejection, then please close it out. You can get another opportunity, but that's very you know uh, trading is being done 24 into 7 into 365, so there can be some other day a very good opportunity. So this is the level you also need to look out at the upper side, 63,500 from 63,344. If you see a rejection from this level, exit. Okay, and that's the kind of price is in range, and that's from Friday night. So let's see. Let's just hope you don't book your losses here. Thanks, man. Yeah, there is so much for learning on this, and I don't sell courses, to be honest. I really don't. I don't believe in, because I have learned from the live. I have done my losses as well. There is no shame to accept it. But yes, when we do practicals, that's the real learning. Yes, but I mean, some books do help too, like how the candle formation is done. That is very important. So do learn, do start reading some basic books about the technical analysis, candle formation. That would be really helpful. Looks like a good green candle so far, and we have 10 more minutes for this candle. And you can, uh, there is an option, right? I mean, for all the, like, whenever I come online or posting a video, that bell icon, something like this, so you can enable that so that you are getting notification for all the videos that I'm posting on. Or else I have mentioned my Telegram link. There are only 7 users though, so you can join as well. I post there as well when I'm online for the crypto. See, that's what I was talking about. Look at the candle size and the volume. That is looking like a tricky one. So when price goes up, it volume has to be supportive. It also has to be in the increasing mode. That's not looking like a case. Well, let's see. Thanks, Jason. Thank you, man. Yeah. So I normally like go in the volume settings and I enable this volume MA. So it is again the moving average of these candles, huh? So that is telling you the average for the some odd candles. And if it is inclining and price is going up, that's good. That is helpful in identifying the volume size, like sort of visualization. So we do have hurdle upper side. That is the trend line. The again this trend line, that is a crucial one actually. If it takes support from this trend line, it can be negative again. No, it's not an indicator, to be honest. It's just the volume. By default, it comes on the chart. It comes like, okay, if I remove it, then it's with the name volume. Yeah, but I mean, this is being treated as indicator like this. And then when you go to the settings, you need to enable in style, you need to enable volume MA. Mhm. Let it be on 15. It's going towards hurdle. Let's see. These kind of candles will help breaking those levels. If we get a green bar, no, that would be awesome. Hmm. It needs to break this level 62,738. So good so far. Price looks good, but this is the hurdle 62,738, and that's where our trend line is. Okay. Oh. Okay. It should not close below this level 2600, uh, or if it is, okay. Yeah, volume is increasing on 5-minute charts. That's clearly visible from there to now. Look at this, man. Negligible volume. That's a good candle. Oh, that just supported my words. I was saying that's a good candle. Great. Yeah, that's very basic actually. But yes, I mean it's something that you need to keep in mind because sometime whether it is a down move or up move, that can be a trap. So we need to find those traps and better not to have trades, especially specifically in those particular areas when volume is not supporting. Okay. So everybody have their own trading styles. 1 minute to cross the 200 SMA. Okay. Hmm. In 1 minute, we do see the buy signals, the green bars. Okay, it's kind of W actually. On 5 minute, do I see on 15 minute? No, I don't. But here I do see if that is completed. This is the level actually. So if it is completed, that could be W like this. This has to be broken then, at least somewhere here. It should come up. Just a theory. Let's see. I think around this level, that should there should be 200 SMA on 1 minute. We need a big, strong green candle here, at least to break the EMA of volume down. Thank you. Come on. It's actually still here. That is the hurdle. Mhm, mhm, mhm. So, okay, I'll tell you a setup here, Jason, and everybody actually. So, if there is a red candle, that can be a healthy red candle. When there are multiple green candle and then there comes a red candle, I always call it healthy candle. And that is actually a deciding candle as well to change the trend or to continue the trend. So let's see if that is a red candle or a green candle. It can convert in a green candle as well, like this. But once there is a red candle, I'll tell you the logic behind it. And for that, you never need a chart. Like I mean, you do need a chart, but not any indicator, not even volume, not EMAs or any other particular trend based indicator. You can look at the chart and you can tell by looking at the chart whether price can reverse or continue. So so far looking like it again took the resistance from the EMA. Let's see. That is a big candle, man. I know. No, let's wait. Let's wait. Till 2 more minutes. So whenever that happens, so minimum three candles has to be there. Okay, and there are four, so minimum three has to be there. And after three green candle, if you see a red candle, and then the very next candle, or maybe next two three candle, you see the price, you just mark the low of this candle, the opposite color. In this case, red is the opposite color, as we already have continuous four green candles. Mark the low of this candle, and now when price comes like this, so that is a buying, and it also shows that could be the continuation of trend. And like I said, that is also a confirmation that price can reverse as well. So over chart, let me tell you, like there were three candles, fourth one is green. Mark the mark the low of the fourth candle, which is green, and when price closes below, it is a trend continuation. So if you miss the trend from up, you can get it from here. That's how it works. That is problematic. It has again taken resistance. It needs volume, man. It definitely needs volume. Volume is still not supporting. Look at these candles. Volume was continuously, consistently coming down. My God, that's sell signal again. Okay, 4 more minutes. It can create inverted head and shoulder if next candle comes like this. Depends, and depends. Closing of this candle is important. It should not close below the green candle. That should not close below this. Going good, but that's in next candle, not this one. Oh no, that's not good for you, man. Mm. You're still in the game. Looks like has gone. Okay, let's see if that happens. This is the hurdle. We can remove. Oh no, we don't. One positive thing that I see, there is a support line as well. Uh, uh, does this work? Let's see. You are still in the game, man. You are. Mm. So if we get closing above 50 at this time, then yes, that trend can change. Now, reason is uh, it is doing higher highs formation, which is good for momentum change. Otherwise, it was generally lower low formation was there, right? So it should do higher highs formation and 50 EM closing and this level as well. Yeah, I agree. Okay, so I was talking about a setup. It's basically a setup, it's not an indicator. So you just need to have a simple plain chart. So what does happen is when there are consecutive red or green candles, minimum 3 you have to look for. And so this was the setup. There were 4 green candles. So the fourth or fifth one, I mean, after those consecutive candles, then you have one opposite color candle. And when price goes up, so we need to mark the low of the opposite color candle. When it is broken and we get a closing above this level, it is most of the time trend continuation is called. And from this level, it is a trend change as well. So if you go in the history of the chart, you'll be able to find this thing like this. There were 4 red candles, there was a green candle, but price didn't continue. Similarly, there were green. We discussed one of the setups. Where was it? We missed it somewhere. So we need to look for minimum 3 candle setup. Okay. Like this, you can consider that one as well. So 4 or 5 green candle, red candle, then green candle. Just mark the low, and when price crosses below, you'll see a trend continuation, and that also helps you identifying there could be a possible trend change as well. That applies to any time frame that you trade on. In 5 minutes you can see, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, hourly as well. So now price is again trying to close above the level that we discussed. We have marked this level. If we see a closing above, so it is sort of confirmation that price can, this short term trend can continue. But it's not like that it can take a rally of 1000 points, 2000 points. Since these are 5 minutes, then trend would be less. Then again we can see red and green candles. Okay, so this one we were talking about, it's not a confirmation uh for BTC too long. Okay, because price is already in the downtrend. It may come for the retest and then go up. It is trying to complete the W, and then price can go up. That is one of the probability. Okay, and in 15 minutes, that's what I was telling you, Jason, that and everybody, that it looks like an inverted head and shoulder pattern, and that looks so perfect. That's what I was talking about. That's why I mentioned this trend line. Now, this is the actual trend line which is coming from upside. This is a crucial one. Okay, if we keep on getting higher highs like this, so we had this movement, this, and let's say this. Oh, that is only less, like this. Okay, then there could be a possibility. So these are both the hurdles. So one possibility that I see, price can close above this, retest, and then go up, then retest, go up, like this. Or, and for this 15-minute candle has to close above in the range, not in the box. It has to be closed above. So far, so good. 6 more minutes. What's happening in 5 minutes? We need volume. I've seen price momentum on Sunday night most of the time. So if it is a day, that could be really good. No movement in 30 seconds. What? Zero. Now there is one. Three contracts. Come on. Till almost 40 seconds, there were no buyers or sellers. Oh man. Now there are three. Now, lot of people uh, trade on Bitcoin by the time they have open options. So, yeah, I mean, that's why price is manipulative in Bitcoin as well. That I've seen. It used to follow perfect technical analysis. Yeah. But yeah, I mean, there are trappings and fake price momentum is also there. Oh, so far four contracts. No buyers in this candle so far, and 2 minutes has gone already. Just four. No buyers. It has again taken the support in this from this area, so that is good so far. 30 more minutes in this candle, and we need closing above this trend line for price to go up. And like I said, it could be like this, like this. Not exactly, but yeah, something like this. And if we see a rejection on this one, this time I doubt it will be able to hold this level. I doubt. Looking good so far. Where is the volume? Come on. We need volume. We need volume. Leave this indicator. That's where is my buddy? Oh man. Yeah. What about 15 minutes? Jason, that can be a good news, man. I do see in one of my private indicator there is a signal. That is actually a sentimental a sentiment cycle indicator that is private. It's telling us there is a this is a significant area where significant buying has done, and that's the green area. So this trend line is important. So we'll wait. Oh, you're making a note. Now leave it for some other day. Yeah, we'll have a separate uh, separate session on that one. Look at the chart, man. It's going in your direction. That's what you needed, right? Finger crossed for you, man. Let's just hope it breaks the trend line. Go, go, go. I become afraid when I don't see the volume supporting it. But yeah, I mean, it's early to say. It's only 4 minutes, not exact 3.5 minutes. Looks good so far. Yeah. It's too early to congratulate you, but I'm excited to mention that thing on the chat. Okay, still waiting. 10 more minutes. 11 more minutes to go, and I'll just hope you are saved from this moment. Oh, that's good. That's good. Yeah, I mean, indicator is supporting so far. Let's see. No need to donate, man. No need to. That would be a channel where we don't ask for the donation, to be honest. And maybe in future, when we are a family of thousands, we just started in hundreds. We are in second hundred plus. But if we are in thousands or in lakhs, by God grace, still we won't ask for the donations. Yeah, rest be assured of. But so far, no, man. Uh, Sorry, I don't accept. But so far, it's taking rejection. Oh, it's okay. So my recommendation, you need to have your stop losses before, no, below the trend line. Okay, if you get a closing below the trend line, you need to get out this time of this trade. But that's still healthy. Don't worry. Like I said, the one green candle is healthy. Okay, and it can retest. Retest is still pending. Okay, we were thinking it can retest and go. We were talking about this retest, uh, and like this, but this didn't happen. So might be a possibility like this. That was a retest. That was a retest. Oh man, my five things. Okay, so it may retest till this level and then go up like this. So it's called trapping actually, or the early buyers to get out the early buyers like this. It really gave this till here price almost like 85% has come down of this trend, and then it was just for the early buyers to get out or take their SLs, and then there was a slow momentum. Then it was again one red candle is fine, right? I mean, and you will always see a pullback. It's called basically the pullback. You will always see on this, on every any support line, trend line, resistance line. You will always see that. If I have an example, I can show you somewhere like this. These are the Andy, I'm saying these are the healthy retracements. One more minute. Yeah, same story. Yep. Healthy correction go up to 61%. Huh? 23% is like, in that trend, people are booking their profits. 23% is done that way. And then let's say it is in the buy trend or sell trend, then they will keep it continuing. So I'm hoping that is the healthy correction. It should retest from this level from there. Yeah, it is the level. We have already marked it. Yes. And this red candle is in the bulls area. So for now we can relax actually. 3, 2, 1. Waiting, waiting. In 5 minute candle I've seen if it is red initially, it turns green. But let's see. I hope that's not required, but let's see. So you can close below this level 62,683 if it is able to close. Okay. Or even if it is touching, then it can come to this trend line. But I'm hoping that would be a green candle, and this time we should be able to break the trend line as well. Let's just hope. That's what price action is trying to tell us. Well, we can't be too optimistic since we are in the trade. So There is one more possibility, but I don't have the confirmation yet. So trend line is the confirmation. So that move could be SL hunting, since I don't see much progress in the volume. And then if price has to come down by taking the liquidity, it can. Oh man. Oh, it's actually retest so far. Let's see. Similar was here again. How many times? One, two, three, four. This is the fifth time. Yeah. But why do I get a feeling that it can be a red candle? Come on. Where is the volume? It almost completed the inverted head and shoulder. That could have perfect, man. So perfect. Up to this level, almost 63,000. That is a perfect one. Now, and Mhm. Anybody else who wants to know about any different cryptocurrency, happy to tell you. Meanwhile, this candle is being formed. और अपने हिंदी भाई, उनको भी किसी और ट्रेड के बारे में जानना है तो प्लीज़ बताइए, मैं बता देता हूँ। किसी और क्रिप्टो के बारे में, इथेरियम और दूसरा कोई। कम ऑन, 17 कॉन्ट्रैक्ट्स ओनली। That candle is gone. Oh man, sudden spike. The time zone. So you are in NY? AM. My time is 9:20 p.m. I'm from India, Delhi. So I usually uh, open the live crypto trading around 8 a.m. So exactly almost 1 hour and 20 minutes before. So my time is for 8, somewhere between 8 or 8:30. I start the live crypto. What's the most you ever made of a trade? So that's not a question, and I hope nobody should nobody should answer. People look for the trades, the positional or the intraday, and they feel happy. So it's not exactly a question what we ever made of a trade. Okay, so it's our red candle so far. You can exit on this if you get a closing below 6 to 680. Okay, yeah. For a closing, I'm talking about the closing, not touching it. So it could be a week because it is a retest. It, I think it can touch the trend line and then go up because it needs the momentum to break this line. And if you look, the range is getting narrow. We'll see a momentum. It could be downside as well, no doubt, and it could be upside as well. But so far, okay, here as well we had higher highs formation, not higher highs formation. It was straight up. Here we have higher highs formation. So I think it is looking bullish to me, but yes, we need to wait for the confirmation. That's the reason I was telling you that we need to wait for the closing because that level was acting as resistance. There is a possibility that this level can act as a support. Okay, it has given. Yeah, yeah. Be ready, man. Green zone is out. So in this candle, indicator is Like based on its calculation, it is saying that buying is not happening in this candle. It doesn't look healthy to it. That is so true, man. Yeah, it is doing this thing. Okay. Come on. No. You can exit, man. You can. Okay. It looks like there is a strong chance, or I would say probability that. Oh, let's see. What a sharp selling there was. Oh, man. Yeah. Yeah, but you need to have a so short entry. Okay, this time don't uh like we were discussing, it has taken the support. But yeah, I mean, the chances are like 50-50. It can go down as well, right? If we do not have a hard stop loss. Looks like it can go up now, but that is a short term again. Yeah, but I agree with the cutest girl that we don't need to gamble actually. We need to learn. We need to work on increasing our knowledge. We need to follow the technical analysis. Based on that, if your analysis is supporting you that there can be a momentum, either sell side or buy side, then only go for it. Gambling is not an option. Market clearly knows who is here for what. That they clearly know. It's back in the zone. That I've done. So I mean, I don't know how to comment or what to comment. Yeah, I mean, learning is always is a hard path. It's not an easy way. So hourly chart, similar candle so far, similar candle. Oh man, similar candle, similar candle. Let's just hope that's not a red candle. The next one. To be honest, buyers are trying hard to take the price up, but somehow they are not because sellers are too heavy. Or what should I say? Look at the volume, it's flat. In last 2 hours, it's slightly up. Mhm. Oh, we have a sell signal. Okay, so if somebody is interested in a selling side, not exactly right now, actually avoid, look for a sure short entry. Yeah, because on the downside, we already have sharps. This is a buying area. Every time price coming in this range, every time price coming in this range, we do see a buying. It's from this level where trend started. This, and almost this. These are short terms. And it is coming down with the retest actually. It came here, went till here. That was the retest. It is trying to come down. It can come up to 62573. That is a desired level for make or break. If we get a closing below this level, then first level is 100%, which is 62,427. Second target is 62,323, and the final one is 62,191. But these can be achieved when we have a good closing below this level. That's what I said. That is a make it or break it level. So just for the understanding, price can reverse from here as well. These are potential targets, okay? Not confirmed that exactly will come, but there is a strong probability that these can come. Okay? Since we have seen a rejection from the trend line. Yeah, that's where we actually see a good momentum. Neutral candles are not trustworthy, especially these are the tiny little candles. So look at these candles. Didn't take much of the time to come at this level, but when it was going up, it literally took time. It's not that we were in trade and that's why it happened. It does happen that way. Selling is steep. That's why people more trust on the selling side. That is always a steep fall. I'll be back. I'll just get some water to drink. Meanwhile, just enjoy the music. I am back. No movement so far. What a selling, man. I need to stop the music. Done. So the volume wasn't high when it was going up. Look at the volume. It was this ratio. And on selling, the price is the volume is higher than the buying side. That's what I was talking. That if price is going up and there is no significant movement in the volume, then it's a trap. That exactly happened in this uh, trend, upper side trend. There was volume was not supporting. Whereas on the selling side, volume is also supporting. Okay, so here 15 minutes closing is important. This candle closing is important for these targets. Mm. Mm. Wow. Okay. Looks like we'll have our targets coming in. Why do we have lines? Instead, use the lines instead of the box. That's the support line. So that is our first target. What I was doing. Wow. Both of the indicators have signaled well in this area. This one and this one. My god. Mhm. This green line, that is a strong support area. So hopefully it is broken this time. I'll show you why. Because last time when we had a down move, this was where price took a support. Okay. So that was so strong that whenever price was coming in this range was getting rejected, or I'd say that buyers were getting active here. Yeah. Mhm. That can be retest. Okay. So let's see. 5 more minutes. So looks like that was just 61% completion of this trend. What a green candle. That's the reason I was saying that this is a make it or break it level. Na, 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 na. It is trying to break the trend line again. It's not giving the signal again because it checks for the last five candles for a signal. So one, two, three, four, five already had a signal, so that's why it's not given a signal. So yeah, I mean that would be, I keep on forgetting. Once, twice, thrice, four time, fifth time. Fifth time it has taken resistance from the trend line. So it also may have lost strength. Okay, so there might be a strong possibility if it tries to break this level, price may be able to succeed. Okay, so what now? Okay, so this is a 4-hour chart now we are talking about. So if this candle, it still has how much? Oh, it just started actually. So if this candle managed to close above this level or around this level, then we may see 363,129 level. I do see this. I do see a possibility here. Okay, but it has to be above this level, 62,690. You can say 62,700. If it manage to close, then we'll see this level. That's quite near actually. So you can consider this one actually instead, 62,900. If this candle or next candle is able to close, then this would be the level, 63,199. Um, all those have 300, 400, or less than 300 difference. Yeah. But this trend line looks like maybe broken this time.
There are a lot of misconceptions.
Okay, since it has managed to close above, these are no longer valid, but this trend line does, support line does. Now the levels are these are our potential target, but above this level. And there is a strong probability that it may get a rejection from this level, okay? In between this. Mhm. And let me tell you, if that is also done, so what next? 63870. Six four two six two. Okay, we need a closing and price should be able to sustain above this level. So all those green lines are the targets. Okay, guys, take a note of it. And so green is the buyer's area, red is the seller's area. Okay, so yeah, that's about it. You can note down those levels. You can pause the video and uh, note down these levels. And before we go, let's discuss the daily analysis like we normally do before starting and closing. See, most from mm, it's not. So here at this level, momentum was slow. Look at the closing and opening of the price. Okay, and after 2 days, that was a good uh, candle so far. But like the way we are seeing the rejection, and we still have 7 hours to go. And if it is managed, like if BTC managed to close above 62,965, okay, then there might be a possibility that price can go up. Okay, and let's say if it manages to close below 23.6%, which is 62,965, then we may see this level 62,239. And like I said, this is the analysis on daily chart, so we need a daily closing. Okay, And if closing is also done at 38.2, which is 62,239, we will be able to see this level 61,000. Okay. And if somehow, let's say, bears are active and they don't want BTC price go up, then we can see those levels, any of those levels. Okay. Below 61,000 we can again see 59,000 and less more. And if BTC manages to close above this level 62,965, then we can see 64,137 again, and 64,833, and the 65,000 level that we have discussed many times, that this is our target left and this is our final target. So look at this, 1 2 3 4 5. So there were already consecutive back to back buying happened, right? So it needs to stop. People will book the profit as well, right? So that that red candle is a healthy candle. Okay. So mark this level 62 63,333. If daily closing is above either tomorrow or day after, we will definitely see 64,137 and 65,000 as well. Okay. So yeah, I think that would be a red candle for today. Tomorrow that can be a green candle, but yes, this level is important for closing of this candle. Like if it has to go above, then 62,965. Uh, I'm repeating it again. 62,965 is a critical level. It has to close above this level for going up. Okay. So keep this in mind. This is a trapping area. You can avoid the trade in this area. And once price is below this range, you will be able to see this level. So yeah, that's about it for today. Let's wrap up the call. I have given the levels already. If price manages to close above this level, uh, at least wait for 2 15 minutes candle. Okay, that would be the first target, and these are the targets. It has taken rejection from this level already, so yeah. Okay, else you can follow those levels again by backing up, like by just going for backward in the video. There were below levels as well. You can, these are both the levels from downside and upper side. Okay, so good night guys. Thanks Jason, thank you so much man, and you too have a good day. Enjoy your day. Don't stress this out. Okay, we'll definitely have some other opportunity. So like I mentioned, if that happens, you can still recover your profit. Alrighty guys, take care. Good night, and for some of you, have a good day. कल मिलते हैं. We'll let's uh, see you guys tomorrow on the tomorrow's crypto. Okay. Thank you.